Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics for TNPSC. We'll cover understanding the syllabus, gathering resources, and effective study techniques. You'll learn how to make the most of your preparation time, focusing on key concepts and regular practice. This step-by-step guide will help you approach the economics section with confidence and improve your chances of success. First, meticulously analyze the TNPSC economics syllabus to identify all topics. Your primary resources should be Tamil Nadu State Board textbooks, especially those from the 6th to 12th grades. Supplement these with 1 or 2 standard economics reference books for deeper understanding. Don't forget to incorporate online resources and stay updated on current economic affairs. When studying, create concise notes for each topic. These will be invaluable for quick revision. Prioritize understanding fundamental economic principles rather than just memorizing facts. Consistent revision is crucial to reinforce your learning and ensure long-term retention. Actively solve multiple-choice questions after each topic to test your comprehension and identify areas needing more attention. Regularly attempt mock tests to simulate actual exam conditions and manage your time effectively. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to pinpoint weak areas and conceptual gaps. Reviewing previous years' TNPSC economics questions provides insight into question patterns and important topics. Finally, stay consistently updated on economic current events and government policies, as these are often tested.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.